Hi friends, today we are reviewing the last slime from my care package that I got from my friend. This is OG Slime's Moon Rock. It is a 7-ounce gravel slime scented like cream cheese frosting, and I love all of those things. So let's check it out. I did not apply any activator to this one like I usually have to do. This one was not melted, so when we get into it, if it's a little sticky, I will add some activator, but this one didn't seem like it needed it. So yeah, let's check it out. Oops, okay, there we go. Let's check out the smell. Ooh, it smells just like cream cheese frosting. Not very strong, it's pretty light, but so it doesn't say, but I assume this is like a thick and glossy base with the gravel in it. That's what it feels like. Alright, let's see if we can get it out. If you hear that creaking, that is my upstairs neighbor who, for some reason, has to rearrange his apartment every morning at 7 a.m. I don't know why. No, I don't really know what he's doing, but yeah, that's what it sounds like. All right, let's see if I can get one of my cuticle sticks to help me get this out so I don't break a nail on it. BRB. Okay, got it out. Might need a little activator, but it wasn't at all melted like my other ones. Let's see what we can do without activator first. Oh, I love this. I love the feeling of it. The texture, the rocks, they're not too big, they don't poke. Oh yeah, I love this. And it's a tad bit sticky, but it did not melt in the Arizona Death Valley heat that we have going on here, but so I'm pretty impressed with that. I added just a touch of activator to it so it wouldn't stick so much. So I should mention this is my first slime from OG Slimes, and I'm super impressed. The smell is great. It smells like cupcakes. Very light though, not overpowering. It's so heavy, and there's so much of it. I love it. It's like a workout for my arms. I just love the feel of it. The texture is great. So So yeah, I'm gonna rate this one a 97 out of 100. This is one of my all-time favorites that I have tried. Yep, I love it. Obsessed. I'll be playing with this for the next 2 hours. Oh, I love it. It's got such a great feel to it. I have little hands, so sometimes when it's a 7 or 8 ounce, I can't always hold them in my hands for a long time, so I put it on the table to play with it, but I do like doing both ways. Oh, this video is going on forever. Sorry. All right, I rated it. It's great. Please check it out if you haven't. And I have a couple more slimes arriving this week. So, yeah. Thanks for sticking with me, friends. See you soon. Bye, friends.